So very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'll be interested to know that why you had come to a hypermarket for your grocery purchase and neglecting the other formats for the purchase of your food and grocery items.
See, we've been passing by, and I thought it is coming in between. So let's go and have a look what they are giving, what options they are giving actually, and what they are giving in the news or maybe at the advertisement in the TV. So this was the main thing which I came to see over here. Otherwise, if I see my past experience, they are not giving the discount which they are showing. If you have good relationship with the shop around your house, you can get a very good discount on that, cheaper than what you buy in Big Bazaar. Especially when I've come over here, I can say very directly about this.
So since you belong to Moga and coming here to Patiala, the distance you had covered, do you think it is worthwhile covering that
No, no, no,
particular
it's
distance?
not worthwhile. Actually, I was passing by, but earlier I was going to Ludhiana, but I went for 3, 4 times, and when I saw that the difference was not much, which I could get when I told my friends around, and they are one of the people, they are doing the business of same trade in FNC. So they said, why you go over there? We give you more cheaper than that. And because of not having interaction with those people, I was coming to Big Bazaar. So now I have preferred to go to those people. I get good cost for what I am paying for them. Secondly, the respect and the personal relationship which works over there, you don't get in these places. If you have to search something which you are not finding, you have to search a person and ask him and request him. If he is willing in a good mood, he will tell you the information. Otherwise, he doesn't give it. So, what do you think is better? A place near my house where I'm cozy, or going to some place where I have to request a person?
Sir, and what do you think would be the future of retailing, particularly into food and grocery, with
See,
coming
this,
of FDI into India? Is it a bright future for the retailing here,
of
or
course, people, those who are with systems, those who are doing system, they will be doing better because they employ, they will be employing, they will be professional. Those are from same trade. It's not like that you can hire a person for 2,000 rupees and fix a person. Maybe now I had a very bad experience inside. When I was moving around, I saw two people, they were fighting with each other, and they were employee of this Big Bazaar. Can you believe that? So when you will have professional people, everything in a well set up manner, everything is going to be better.
so? Don't you think it is a more organized chaos?
No, it's not. I think that it's a negative thinking because the people, those who are politicians in India, they are just here to manipulate the people, throw the rumors, and make the people feel that they are in shape. So that is the problem which is coming up. Otherwise, everything will be more cool. Let it come out.
At last, would you favor a organized retailing in India?
Well, yeah. Everybody feel like even a person having 10 rupees or 20 rupees, he will able to get a very good price material in a right way. And like we have to fight with the people if we have to return the material, it's not good quality. So you will get a good quality. Everything will be cooled down. So if you have to minimize these problems, these issues, you have to look for a better option, which is what you said is there.
Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome.
Good day. Thank
Yeah.
you.